Hi, it's Don again, here for part 2 of my Easy Light fire starter review. I'm just going to go through a quick visual and physical inspection of each one of these cups that are ranked 1 through 4 and kind of explain the differences that I can see and provide you some feedback on what I think so far will work best. So let's get started with number 1. So basically all of these cups are filled with about the same amount of, looks like wood shavings, and there seems to be some binder or something in here like possibly wax. Upon squeezing this, it feels not too firm, but it's not like, you know, the wood chips can fall out of this. So number 1 seems, I don't know, from previous fire starters that I've used, it's a little bit light. A little bit not, you know, a little bit breakable, spilling some wood chips, but we'll see in a second how it lights up. Number 2 seems like about the same amount of shavings, but it's much firmer, a little bit heavier, and not as many chips kind of fall off the top of it. Here's one called Zed. I don't know if this is number 2, if it's just the how it's written on the front. Same sort of thing, very similar to number 2. Could be the same batch, and I was sent 3 of number 2. Number 2.5, definitely lighter, or 2S I think is what this is called. Definitely lighter. The shavings are a little bit looser, and I don't know, there might be more wax at the bottom of this. It's a little bit stiffer on the bottom of the cup. 2.2S is about the same. These might be 3 of these type. Number 3 is very stiff to touch. Almost no chips fall out of it. You can tip this upside down and it's not very breakable. Looks good. And number 4, even more so. Certainly more of the wax or the binder in here. And if I had my vote, I think either number 3 or 4 will perform the best. But I know what you're here for. Let's start some fires and we'll see. I'll do a short time lapse of each fire starting. What I'm going to do is put a standard amount of wood that I would put in my wood stove. How I normally would light it up, and then during the winter on a rushed business evening. And we'll see how these things start. And I'll have a rating for the Easy Light marketing team on which fire starter worked the best for me. Thanks. See part 3.